After having located our drill locations for the upper holes to accommodate our dowel pivot point, we are ready to drill. We will be drilling with a 3/8 inch Forstner bit, and we only want to go halfway through the top. The distance from the tip of the Forstner bit to the shoulder is right at about 3/8 of an inch long. When we drill this, we are going to be drilling to the point where we reach that shoulder, and then we're going to stop. Do not drill all the way through the top. Clamping your workpiece will allow you to have both hands on the drill so you don't drill through your hand.